8 400 400 400 याद कर लीजिए ये व्हाट्सएप नंबर, क्योंकि अब आपका मैथ, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो हर डाउट, हर क्वेश्चन का मिलेगा तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन, वो भी आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे। बस आपके व्हाट्सएप पे डाउट नट का 8 400 400 400 नंबर सेव करना है, उसका चैट ओपन कीजिए, फिर जो भी आपका डाउट है उस सवाल का फ़ोटो खींचना है, उसे क्रॉप करना है और 5 सेकेंड में उसका आपको वीडियो सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। क्लास 6 to 12, IIT, जीट, नीट, CBSE और सभी स्टेट बोर्ड के बच्चों के लिए। तो देर किस बात की, अभी जाए और 8 400 400 400 पे अपना सवाल व्हाट्सएप कीजिए, आपके सभी डाउट आउट कीजिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। Hello everyone, today we are going to study science chapter number 11, human body and organ system. So page number 75, that is the first page, and the second page, that is respiratory system. This we have already completed. Okay, so in today's video we will be studying about the blood circulatory system. Okay, so if you all want a separate notes regarding these, please let me know in the comment section, and also comment which next video you would like me to make in the coming days. Okay, science video, English video, history, geography, whatever videos you all want me to make, please let me know in the comment section. So let's move on to the blood circulatory system. Circulatory system performs the function of transport of various substances like water, hormone, oxygen, soluble nutrients and waste material through different organ. An independent system for blood circulation is present in the humans and higher animals. It consists of heart, blood vessels and capillaries. Means what? जो भी हम लोग खाते हैं, जो भी हम लोग ऑक्सीजन इनहेल करते हैं, दैट इज बीइंग यूज्ड बाय आवर ब्लड. Okay, so it is being dissolved in the blood to produce energy. In the first video I have explained that blood circulatory system is used for us to provide energy to our body. तो एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है ब्लड में? तो जो हम खाते हैं, जो हम ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं, वट एवर इज बिन सोल्यूबल न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन द ब्लड, जो एब्जॉर्व होता है ब्लड के सेल में, दैट इज RBCs. in the form of RBCs, it is used by our body to give out energy. Okay, मतलब कोई भी मूवमेंट करने के लिए we need energy, and that energy is being provided by blood circulatory system. Got it? So these are the like water, hormone, oxygen, soluble nutrients and waste material through different organs. ये सब system जो है body के अंदर, it is being used in the different ways to provide energy. Now, over here, heart structure and function. Now, we have to study about the heart. Okay, now heart is thus almost at the center of the thoracic cavity. Okay, so we all know what is thoracic cavity. Alright, it is present behind the ribs. तो हमारे body के अंदर thoracic cage है. Okay, it is present behind the ribs. जो body के अंदर ribs होती है, these are the ribs. Okay, these part is known as the thoracic cage, and these white lines are said to be as ribs. All right, so our heart is present inside it and slightly inclined on the left side. मतलब left side पे थोड़ा सा झुका हुआ है. Got it? So in the thoracic cage, between two lungs and slightly inclined towards the left side is our heart. Now, size of our heart is equal to one's own fist. Fist मतलब ये अंगूठा अंदर लेना है. In this way, children. Okay, if you take this thumb inside and see, exactly same, you will be able to see the size of your fist and the size of your heart is same. Okay, so size of your heart is equal to one's own fist and its weight is about 360 grams. It is covered by a double layer peritoneal membrane. A fluid is present between two membranes due to which heart is protected from friction and mechanical stroke. मतलब ये जो heart होता है, इसके अंदर जो होता है फ्लूइड इज प्रेजेंट बिटवीन टू मेम्ब्रेन मतलब ये जो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स होते हैं, दीज मेम्ब्रेन्स आर बीन प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द फ्लूइड. नाउ व्हाई इट इज बीन यूज्ड टू प्रोटेक्ट द हार्ट फ्रॉम फ्रिक्शन एंड मैकेनिकल स्ट्रोक. मतलब अगर कोई हमें धक्का देता है, सो इट प्रोवाइड्स आवर हार्ट टू स्टेबलाइज इन अ प्रॉपर वे. ओके, तो मतलब अगर किसी ने चेस्ट पे धक्का दे दिया, मैकेनिकल स्ट्रोक मतलब वही होता है. ओके, नाउ human heart is a muscular organ. It is a muscular organ. You will be able to see on page number 77. Okay, it is a muscular organ. It is made up of involuntary cardiac muscle. Involuntary cardiac muscle मतलब हमारा उस पर कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. अगर उसको हम कंट्रोल करने जाते हैं, सो वी कैन गिव अ स्ट्रोक टू आवर बॉडी एंड वी कैन इवन डाई. Okay, so we should not try to we should not disturb the movement of our heart. They contract and relax with a definite rhythm. Okay, so they move, they are in such a motion. Okay, not such a motion, but ऐसे खुलता है, बंद होता है. Not this big also, children. Okay, but it opens up, swells up, and it contracts. Okay, so it is in that movement. It is definite rhythm. This is called as beating of heart. That is why we get a beating of heart. Internally, heart is divided into left and right compartment by a vertical partition. Okay, vertical partition में it is being divided into the left and the right compartment. Each of those compartment is again divided into two chambers. मतलब ऐसे divide होता है, ऐसे divide होता है. Again it has been divided into two chambers. You will be able to see it over here also. Thus in all heart consist of 4 chambers. Now यहाँ पे 2 है, बैक साइड पे 2 है. So total कितने हुए? 4 chambers हुए. Upper chamber are called as singular atrium and lower chambers are ventricles. Got it? So this is the heart. Alright, now over here you will wonder why these arrows are there. Okay, so see, whatever oxygen we are taking, it enters our heart in this way. Okay, and from here it moves out. ब्लू वाला ब्लू वाले के बाहर से निकलता है, ऑरेंज वाला ऑरेंज वाले के यहाँ से निकलता है. दैट इज वाई दे हैव गिवन अस 2 कलर्स. यू ऑल कैन टेक अ लुक एट योर ओन टेक्स्ट बुक एंड analyze it yourself that these are our left and right ventricles, atriums, and they enter and the oxygenated blood is being used by the heart and being let out in this manner. All right, got it? Now this is a tabular preparation of the heart. That is location कहाँ पे होता है? Thoracic cavity, slightly inclined on the left behind the ribs between 2 lungs. Size equal to one's own fist. Weight 360 grams. Covering a double layer pericardial membrane called pericardium. Protective fluid is present between 2 membrane. Okay, so not this, you all don't have to worry about it. Structure. Muscular organ formed of involuntary cardiac muscle. 4 compartments. Upper, right and left atria or auricles. Lower compartments, right and left ventricles. Ventricles. Functions, contraction and relaxation rhythmically. They also called beating of the heart. Now take a screenshot and keep it for yourself. Even if you all have to write the structure and the working of the heart, you will be able to write it in short and in the form of table. And if you write it in this way, the teacher is going to get impressed by writing this answer. Now next is blood vessel structure and function. अब blood vessel जो है उसके structure और function क्या होते हैं? Heart is beating continuously. Due to this, blood continuously circulates through blood vessels. Now only I have shown you it keeps on moving, circulate होते रहता है body के अंदर. We cannot do it. It's an involuntary movement. There are 2 main types of blood vessels. Okay, so 2 main types of blood vessels are there. Arteries. Blood vessel which carries the blood away from the heart are called arteries. Got it? It takes the blood away from the heart, except the one carrying blood towards lungs. All carry oxygenated blood. मतलब arteries का काम होता है carry blood away from the heart. Okay, and all carry oxygenated blood. They are deeply located in the body and their walls are thick. The vessels do not have walls. Valves मतलब कोई closing and opening उसके लिए होता नहीं है. It's just involuntary. एक जैसे होता है like a pipe. Okay. So, what are veins? We all know what are veins, isn't it? Even on your hands, you all can see what are veins. The blue color or the green color type of such, if you all are able to see it, see on my hand also, these are supposed to be our veins. Alright, so these are the veins carrying the blood towards the heart from various parts of the body. So, you will see we are having veins all over our body. तो वो किस चीज़ के लिए होते हैं? बिकॉज इट इज़ यूज टू कैरी द ब्लड फ्रॉम टूवर्ड्स द हार्ट फ्रॉम वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. All veins except the one carrying blood from lung transport deoxygenated blood. So all the veins except the one carrying blood from the lungs transport deoxygenated blood. पूरे बॉडी में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड ही जाता है. ओके, बस कुछ वेन्स होती है विच कैरी द डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्रॉम द लंग्स ट्रांसपोर्ट टू द डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. मोस्ट ऑफ द वेन्स आर सुपरफिशियली लोकेटेड इन द बॉडी. देयर वॉल्स आर थिन एंड these provide various valves. Okay, so these are very thin मतलब if you will be able to see on my hand also, valves नहीं होते हैं but they are divided. See, this nerve is been divided, isn't it? ये भी नर्व यहाँ से आगे जाके डिवाइड होती है. दिस ऑल्सो इज गेटिंग ओवर यर. सो मतलब वॉट इज हैपनिंग ओवर यर? दे आर बीइंग they are so thin, their walls are thin and these are provided with walls. When these small veins are been present in the body, they act like a valve. Now these are the structures of arteries and veins. You all can check it out from your textbook also. These are your capillaries. All right, now we have to study about the capillaries. All right, page number 78. Children, if you all are finding anything difficult, please let me know in the comment section so that we can discuss it in the next video also. Now, capillaries, arteries gradually branch out with decrease in their diameter as they spread in the body and finally form fine hair-like vessel called as capillaries. Walls of capillaries are extremely thin and made up of a single layer of cell. Due to this exchange of material between capillaries and cell becomes easy. During the exchange, the oxygen, nutrient, hormones, vitamins, etc. are sent towards the cell and waste material of the cell moves into the blood. Capillaries unite together to form the vessels of more diameter called as vein. Capillary network is present in each organ. अब what does this mean? Capillaries मतलब these are small veins or a large मतलब इतने भी large नहीं, but they are small. They decrease in their diameter. Diameter मतलब उनकी साइज छोटी होते रहती है. And they finally form fine hair-like vessel called as capillaries. They are quite thin. So what happens is they are used to take the oxygenated, the vitamins, the hormones, the nutrients to all the body parts. Okay, जो हम use करने वाले हैं body में, those are being taken to all the various parts of the body and are sent towards the cell. And waste material मतलब which is not being used, जो हम खाते हैं, जो हम पीते हैं, जितना भी यूज़ होता है वो बॉडी यूज़ कर लेती है. बट वॉट अबाउट द अनयूज्ड वेस्ट मटीरियल? सो दैट अनयूज्ड वेस्ट मटीरियल ऑफ द सेल मूव्स इनटू द ब्लड. वो ब्लड के अंदर निकल जाता है. कैपिलरीज यूनाइट टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द वेसल और मोर डायमीटर कॉल्ड एज वेन्स. अब ये कैपिलरीज हो गए छोटे वाले वेन्स, मतलब छोटी छोटी होती है. दीज आर दे गेट मिक्सड विथ, मतलब ये बड़ी वाली वेन के साथ. These are capillaries. ये बड़ी वाली हो जाती है veins. Just like my hand as I showed you. ये बड़ी वाली, for example we are taking, ये हो गया हमारा vein. Okay, and when it has been divided it changes to capillaries. Over here also you will be able to see these are my veins and यहाँ से जो divide हो रही है those are my capillaries. These small ones are our capillaries. Alright, so कैपिलरी नेटवर्क इज प्रेजेंट इन ईच ऑर्गन. हर एक बॉडी पार्ट में कैपिलरी नेटवर्क होता है. एंड दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कैपिलरी. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? इतनी पतली होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ब्लड सर्कुलेशन थ्रू हार्ट, फंक्शनिंग ऑफ हार्ट. मतलब हार्ट में कैसे ब्लड सर्कुलेट होता है और उसका फंक्शन क्या होता है, हार्ट का फंक्शन क्या होता है. प्रोसेस ऑफ पंपिंग द ब्लड टूवर्ड्स वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी एंड ब्रिंग इट बैक टूवर्ड्स द हार्ट इज कॉल्ड द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. ओके, अब ये हार्ट में क्यों होता है? बिकॉज हार्ट इज अ फिल्टर. what it does, it takes the oxygenated blood, it takes the vitamins, nutrients from the air, from the water we drink, from the blood that has been present in the heart. It is pure and it absorbs everything that is being needed by the body. Okay, so process of pumping the blood towards various parts of the body, मतलब ये absorb करने के बाद हार्ट क्या करता है? it starts sending all the nutrients and the needed nutrients to the various parts of the body. तो वो काम हार्ट करता है. and again what is not needed, the waste material which is not going to be used by our body, it is heart brings it back towards the heart is called as the blood circulations. मतलब पूरे बॉडी पार्ट्स में पहुंचाने का और वापस लेके आने का काम हार्ट से ही होता है. and that is known as blood circulation. So as to maintain the continuity in circulation, heart alternately contracts and relax. Consecutively, single contraction and relaxation of heart constitutes a single heartbeat. Okay, so this is important. Consecutive single contraction and relaxation of heart in a single heartbeat. Okay, now this is a kind of activity they have given y'all can practice it and let me know. So after this, the next topic is blood, which we will be doing in the next video. So before that, please let me know in the comment section which video y'all will like me to prepare in the next coming days, so that I will be able to keep my videos ready for your request. And please let me know whether you all have liked this video or not. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.